Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of printing with the HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw wireless laser printer. If you're in the market for the best HP laser printer for Mac, you're in the right place. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're talking about the HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw, a powerhouse of a printer that's designed to meet the demands of modern printing needs, especially for Mac users. Let's dive into what makes this printer stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about efficiency. The HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw offers lightning-fast print speeds of up to 22 pages per minute, whether you're printing in black or color. Say goodbye to long wait times for your documents to finish printing. But it's not just about speed. This printer also boasts automatic two-sided printing, saving you time and paper. Plus, with its intuitive 2.7-inch color touchscreen, navigating through settings and options is a breeze. Now, let's talk connectivity. Whether you're working from your Mac, iPhone, or iPad, the HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw has you covered. With seamless wireless connectivity and support for mobile printing via the HP Smart app, you can print and scan from anywhere, anytime. And let's not forget about security. With built-in security features, including dynamic security to detect and stop potential threats, you can rest easy knowing that your sensitive documents are protected. But perhaps one of the most impressive features of this printer is its compatibility with Mac devices. Setting up the HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw on your Mac is a breeze, thanks to its seamless integration with macOS. And with its compact design and wireless capabilities, it's the perfect addition to any home or office setup. So, there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best HP laser printer for Mac, look no further than the HP Color LaserJet Pro M255dw. With its impressive speed, seamless connectivity, and top-notch print quality, it's a game-changer for Mac users everywhere. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy printing!